Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of premium audio with a special focus on the Sonos Era 100 Black, wireless, Alexa-enabled smart speaker. If you're on the hunt for the best waterproof Alexa speaker in the market, look no further because we've got you covered. First things first, let's talk about why this speaker is making waves. Not only does it deliver the exceptional sound quality you'd expect from Sonos, but it's also built to withstand the elements with its waterproof design. Whether you're jamming out by the pool or enjoying a relaxing shower, this speaker has you covered. Now, let's unpack some of the standout features of the Sonos Era 100. Powered by a 47% faster processor, this next-gen speaker boasts dual-tweeter acoustic architecture for detailed stereo separation and a 25% larger midwoofer for deep, resonant bass. Plus, its compact design means you can place it anywhere, from your bookshelf to your kitchen counter, without sacrificing on sound quality. But wait, there's more. With built-in Alexa, you can do so much more than just play music. Ask Alexa to deliver the latest news updates, control your smart home devices, or even set reminders, all with just the sound of your voice. And thanks to its seamless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi streaming and Bluetooth pairing, you can enjoy your favorite tunes from any source, anytime. Setting up the Sonos Era 100 is a breeze. Simply plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. And with the Sonos app's TruePlay tuning technology, you can optimize the speaker's EQ to suit your space perfectly, ensuring that every note sounds just the way it should. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a smart home aficionado, or just someone who appreciates great sound quality, the Sonos Era 100 is sure to impress. So why settle for anything less? Elevate your audio experience with the best waterproof Alexa speaker on the market, the Sonos Era 100. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy listening.